Hello everyone, Karuna this side. So noise is the new topic which is included in part 1, September to December 2023 PDF, and these questions can easily be answered. Please watch the video till the end, and if you are new at my channel, please subscribe the channel. Let's start. Do you mind noises? Yes, absolutely. I mind noises because as a student, I need to have plenty of hours to study, and during my studies, it creates a big part of hurdle for me, and noises are always a barrier. Do any noises bother you? Of course, they do. Noises from the vehicles and horns really irritate me. Moreover, the people who play the loud music in the public annoy me a lot, so I really dislike the public noises. Do you think there is too much noise in today's world? Yes, without a doubt. Excessive noise has become a great issue in today's world. Even it has been categorized as pollution, which is termed as noise pollution. Okay, what type of noise do you come across in your daily life? Places. As I travel and commute to the various places regarding my work or for seminars or meetings or sometimes for the study purpose, I really experience the noise from vehicles or sometimes at the construction site where the machinery is working. Also, few rebels can be seen on the roads who play the loud music. They can be encountered too in daily life. My last question is, are there any sounds that you like? Well, noises are mostly dislikable, but there are some which are pleasurable, such as I like the chirping of birds or listening to the light music and the sounds of serene waterfall, which of course gives the peace of mind.